We'll guide you through how to add a texture to an object in Blender. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super useful to be able to do. First of all, go and select the object by clicking on it, then go over to the right and click on Material. What you need to do is go into the Surface section and go and find Base Color and go and click on the yellow circle. You can then come over to the texture and you can go and choose one, for example, Brick Texture. When you first click on it, it may not be visible. You'll need to go to the top right and click on this third option for Viewport Shading, and you can then see it. Now what you can do is actually go and add your own. So we can click on the yellow option again. And there are other options here as well, but in this case, I've got my own texture. So I'll click on Image Texture, then go over to the right and click on Open, and you need to go and locate it. In this case, it's on my desktop. So go and select the image. You can go and download them online, etc. With it selected, click on Open Image and it will then go and be used. Now what we can do is press Tab on the keyboard and then press U, and you can go and choose how the image is displayed essentially. So in this case, I like cube projection,